I am in the Brisbane suburb of Stafford, and this little house was practically splitting at the seams. Our young family have 2 active boys and they're quickly outgrowing the space, so have we done enough to stitch up that sail? Shaynna's big job was to give the small house a sense of space. There was no chance of adding rooms or structural changes, so Shaynna used a few tricks instead, like a fresh coat of paint and new French doors. And clever use of furniture also helps create a more spacious feel. Charlie had his work cut out for him in the back garden, quite literally. The property is on a steep incline, so he cut into the slope to create a whole new entertaining area. This updated patio is a more comfortable and usable space too, all surrounded by beautiful planting. Great work, team. Small house, big results.